Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. Just got back from Dollar Tree. They've already got their Christmas stuff out, so I got one thing I got. It's already outside. Was on their Family Dollar side. They were having 40% off, and I got it's more of a reddish orange truck rug with the pumpkins. We needed a rug for outside, so it was on sale for $6, and it's a good quality rug. So this was also on their 40% off. This was from the Family Dollar side. I already know what I'm going to do with this. So 40% off, $5. I can't do that math in my head. Anyway, I think it's just adorable. It's even got the little handle. And then this was also, it was $3, so 40% off that. And I thought this was absolutely adorable. The details. Let's see if it had a brown dot. It was 40% off. So I need to get my calculator. I can't do math in my head. I used to, but I can't anymore. So $1.80. And then the $5 should be able to do that. Was $3. Duh. So this was $1.80 from their Family Dollar side. And they did have Christmas stuff, so here is a little, this was on the Dollar Tree side. I think that's just adorable. I've never seen them before. This was the Dollar Tree side. I've never been able to find one of these either. And this was from the Family Dollar part, so it was $1.80. Had the brown dot. I just think I love that. And they had these Christmas tags from the Dollar Tree side. I think they're stepping up their game. And I can't find my other, I hope this will work in my, oh, it has the thing. It's different little blades. This came from the Dollar Tree. Because my X-Acto knife blade is dull and I can't find the other blades. So that was Dollar Tree. And then I had thought that I had gotten 3 of these that were the same, but one of them has an oval, one of them has a heart, so. And I picked up a couple more crates. And then I thought these little Christmas, those are cute. Of course, that was Dollar Tree. You do a whole lot of things with those. And the little mini trees, bottle brush trees, and then this fake snow. This was from their Dollar Tree. And this was from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was pretty. That's pretty just as it is. And since I was able to finally get the pumpkin wreath frames or forms, I realized I've done everything imaginable to them. And I've always wanted to do a denim one. So when I got them, I looked up to see if anyone else had done a denim one. Because I haven't been able to get them for like 2 years. And I think it's Crafting Cousins. They did an absolutely beautiful denim one. And I'll probably still do one for myself, but for video purposes, no, because I did so many. The first time that I did them in so many different ways. I took a towel, a dish towel, sewed it on each rib, and it was like a teal color. This was like 2019, and found a pick that coordinated with it. And then I've done yarn, I've done beads. So I was like, okay, now I have these, what am I going to do? So I'm trying to come up with some ideas. And I got this vinyl paper in the buffalo check. And 2 of those and 2 of these in a blue. And then this shelf liner that has the leaves. I don't know if you can see that. And this, I've never even found these here. And then some larger bottle brush. I think that's what they're called. They didn't have a whole lot, but I was surprised to see anything. Always need floral foam. And then these little round boxes. Just a little paper mache like. And some square ones. Nautical rope. Dog treats. And I have about used up all of my garlands, and I still need to make a garland for our home, for outside. I like these deeper colors than the bright orange and stuff. And they finally had these. They're just now getting these. And some more little bottle brush. I don't like that color, but spackling. Lysol white. These little jars. And they had Christmas tree ornaments, 8 in a pack. Snowflake, wooden ornaments. Glue sticks. And then I found 3 more of these. So like I said, I still have fall stuff that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to start on Christmas. We're going this weekend, and I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby um, and see what they have in terms of Christmas. And I will get this uploaded, and then if you all didn't see my video yesterday, I uploaded a video yesterday, fall stuff. And like I said, I still have some more fall stuff to do. And that will go up next Wednesday. And then I'm going to start Christmas. So you all have a good day, and I'll see you Wednesday.